Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today I want to show you a fun stand-up card. Looks like this. You inspire me. And then when you open it, it has space for you to write in, and also this side makes it so it actually can stand on somebody's desk. Alright, so let's get started. Oops. I have some sticky things. Alright, so card base 5.5 by 8.5, basic white 8 by 5 1/4, scored at 2 and 4. A piece of DSP measuring 4 by 5 1/4, and then 2 more DSPs, pieces of DSP 1 3/4 by 5. Get my labels out, and we'll start assembling. So let's go ahead and fold along the score on the card base. Fold along the score on the inside, normal, just in half, and then one more time this way. Basically you make like an H, and we're going to put it right in here, and that's the part that makes it stand. So my Stampin' seal with the T on top. Make sure those corners are down and centered. Let's set that aside. The DSP, one each will go on the parts that are folded up. So let's do the small circles and the big circles in the back. So plenty to write inside. I'm a big fan of writing in cards. And then this one is actually going to sit here. But before you do that, we're going to use the decorative circle punch and put it in as far as we can up. And that's the part that's going to help make it stand. And then we're just going to put some glue on this part. To keep it all down. I think I'm a little high on the glue, but I'm just going to smush it a little. Match it, match your punch out right here. Glue's a little forgiving, so you can see that. Make sure it matches up. So that's how it's going to stand. I'm going to use my bone folder to kind of mush the glue up a little better. And then here's the key. Fold up your card, put it here, and only put adhesive on the part that's sticking out. And we'll match that up. And that way it'll stick. Alright, that's good. And then I used the You Inspire Me from the Crafting with You set. And then I was going to stamp out a quarter, is it 1 3/4? Yeah, I think that's what it is. Here's the new 1 3/4. Put that there. Let's bump it up with some dimensionals. 3 is good. And that's it. I think it's a fun way to have a card display on somebody's desk. Here's the, and I used different DSP from the Eclectic DSP to match. This one's a Pretty Peacock and this one's a Misty Moonlight. So thanks for letting me share this with you. If you enjoy these tutorials, please like, subscribe, or share, or do all 3, and you'll see more and more video tutorials. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Have a great day. Bye.